Let's say this is a 3-head vibration knife cutting machine. Radar system. This is the occasional knife cutting machine, press wheel, and a beveling head. CCD camera. It is a recognized mark point to cut the design pattern on the material. And this machine is auto feeding table. Emergency switch. Machine head with the cell. Gear transfer. Chain. Here is the full connection air compressor. Those pipes are used for the vacuum pump. This machine is connected with the full vacuum pump. Motion system.